going to talk about how you can plan for wealth, not just for you. Plan for wealth for your kids and not just for you.
Secure your kids' financial future in just 5 hours. I give them some time to figure out what your financial goals are.
I will be speaking with none other than Kelvin Dickerson, the People's Financial Coach, founder with he and his wife Edwina, my personal friends. They are the founders of Smarter Parents, Wealthy Kids.
So I just want to end this. We have the resources in our hands to set our kids' financial future. We got it.
And we're going to be talking about how you not only plan for wealth, but you plan it for your kids.